this video, I will show you how to do stained glass nail art using holographic polishes. Let's dive right in. Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. After base coat, apply a coat of black polish. This is Memento Mori by Cert Colors. Now these are the holo polishes I will use. This collection is Color Club's 2013 one. It has a great variety of colors to choose from at a pretty reasonable price. Now if you don't have holographic polishes, opt for a glittery one you may have over a creme polish, as the glittery effect works better for this design. Now cut out a few pieces of striping tape and arrange them in a random pattern on the nail. As simple or as detailed as you like. Naturally, I reached for my purple holo first. This is Eternal Beauty, a gorgeous shade. So you can be daring like me and try to fill in the portions with the brush itself, but you can also pick up the polish with a smaller nail art brush and apply it that way if that will be easier for you. Next up, this polish isn't actually from this collection, I got it separately, but this is your classic silver holo and it's called Harp on It. I have a question for you. Do you own holographic polishes? If so, what's your favorite brand? Share your answer in the comments. Cosmic Fate is a coppery orange color. And I should find more ways to use Over the Moon, such a pretty bright blue. And as you go, remove any tapes you can, but I found that even though I was in no hurry at all, I didn't have any messy lines, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Miss Bliss is a cheery pink. Oops, I think I might have put a little bit too much there. Beyond is coal black and holographic. Hey, you know, this tutorial functions as a swatching video too. And we have Kismet. You've probably seen this guy before in my other videos. I describe it as a greenish gold. Now let me just fill in the rest. Peel off the remaining tapes and we're done! I love this look and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. But as the colder weather is coming on, it's important to take care of your hands, isn't it? Wouldn't it be neat to be able to make your own hand scrub? Well, I want you to hit the notification bell because in my next video, one of my friends here on YouTube shared a simple 2-ingredient recipe for making your own hand scrub. So I'm going to make the recipe and test it out for you guys. I think it'll be really fun. I have my playlist and other videos for you below in the descriptions, so feel free to go and check those out. If you're new here and you'd like to keep in touch, subscribe and click the bell for notifications when I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a magical day.